Hey everybody. So today just wanted to talk a little bit about how we can read barcodes in LabVIEW using vision. This way we can snap a picture with a camera. It could be of like one of our products or something, and actually read the value of the barcode and make sure that the barcode is correct. So you can use that for automated inspection, stuff like that. But yeah, I have an example here. Let's go look at, this code first, and then we'll run the example. So this is actually one of the NI iMac examples. Let's just walk through it though. So first, this first VI, all it's doing is giving you a URL, or basically the file path to the example folder for iMac stuff. Yeah, and then we're finding this first barcode JPEG image, image 00. This vision acquisition, I can open that up so you can see it's not actually doing any acquisition per se, but it's basically just sequencing through a whole bunch of images. So in this barcode folder, we basically just have a ton of different barcode images, starting with image 00. But this is just set to cycle through the folder of images. So we're just gonna, basically read the image file and then convert it to an iMac image so that we can do some analysis on it. So yeah, all this is really doing is iterating through those images for us. Next, we're using the iMac read barcode to function. So this can read a lot of different types of barcodes. If you read the little help right there, all sorts of different types from Codebar, Code 39, Code 93, Code 128, EAN 8, EAN 13, interleaved, MSI, UPCA, pharmacode, so all sorts of stuff. There are a few different options that we can pass into it. As you can see, none of them are required, right? So you don't necessarily have to wire anything in, but the more details you give it, the better it can find what you're looking for specifically. This first one, we have this barcode search options. So we've defined a minimum bar width, min edge strength. So that's basically it's trying to find the edge of the barcode, and at some confidence level, we want to be able to say, if you're at least this confident, that's the edge, that's the edge. And then the minimum, basically, width of the bars, and if we want to skip the location search. We've also got this basically barcode types to search, so we can define what types we want it to search for. So if we're only expecting like maybe one type of barcode, we can only search for one type of barcode so it won't accidentally read other types. Or if we don't know, maybe we can add different options of different ones to read. We also have this number of required barcodes we're passing in. So basically just saying, hey, it has to have, this many at least. We've got this validate, which we've just set to false. It's just, checking that barcode. And then also barcode grading options. So do we want to calculate the grading report? Yes or no? You don't have to. Basically just saying, how confident it is and whatnot, and a scan width. And then from there, it's going to output a grading report because we've told it to output the grading report. And I'll go look on the front panel in just a second what that looks like, and how many barcodes it found in that image. And then this right here is actually our barcode data, and it's just going to output an array of however many barcodes it found in that image. So here we're just iterating through all of those barcodes that it found. And we're basically pulling out the bounding box so that we can, draw some boxes around it, but also add some text. So we're actually going to write the value of the barcode by the barcode, which is kind of cool. So we're going to overlay the actual text on that image, and just do that through all of these, however many barcodes were discovered. And then we're just going to output what the barcodes actually read, and we're going to display those images after we've overlaid them. And this will just iterate through images over and over and over again until we click stop or we throw an error. and then we're just going to dispose of the image. So pretty cool. Let's go run this. So here on this image, you're going to see the images of the barcodes being displayed. This is actually going to output what was read from the barcode. So the data will be the actual text that the barcode contains, whether that be numbers or strings or whatever, and what type that barcode is. And then down here we get the grading report, which is basically just grading it on different things. So like how confident are we in that barcode? How confident are we that we found the edge, that we different characters of the barcode. And I've got this display here, so I'm going to set it really slow at first so we can really see this in action. So let's run this. You can see it found 2 barcodes, found one there, found one there, found one there, found 3, found 2, and we're able to bound these in a box, and we're also able to write the text of what type of barcode it is, plus its actual value of the barcode, overlaying that over the image, which is really cool. And it's really works really well. So let's drop that delay time down so you can see how fast this actually works. So we're able to iterate through these images, and it discovers these locations of these barcodes that quickly, which is really cool. So yeah, I can stop that. But yeah, so that is essentially the secrets, all you really need to know to, in LabVIEW, using vision, be able to read barcodes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.